Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Perplexity AI for coding assistance. So first of all, go ahead to the Perplexity and ask, for example, what are Java script promises, right? Yes, question mark, hit send. And basically next, debugging help. Example, fix this Python error, and then type the error message, right? Next, generate code snippets. Ask for specific tasks like write a function to sort an array in C++. Okay, for example, head forward right here to ask a question. I'm only demonstrating, but you can do it on your own time. Now, understand algorithms. For example, explain how bubble sort works with examples, right? You can see right here, you can ask a follow-up question, right? And they're gonna give you a different answers for different topics. Now, learn libraries and tools. Example, how to use, right? How to use pandas for data or data analysis, right? And you're gonna see that answer, right? And then ask for another question that you can do if you're in the coding business, how to set up how to set up a React app, or explain the Django models, but I prefer the first option, right? And then ask for optimize, or ask to optimize code, right? Like how to make this code yada 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 yada, type it, run faster. Okay, and then lastly, keep up with the trends, like what are the new features in Python, for example 3.12, sorry, 0.12, and you're gonna be able to see the answers. And this approach can help improve your coding skills and streamline problem solving. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.